I think the biggest impact of artificial intelligence on our basic education is hope. In our basic education area, we solve a large-scale personalized learning problem, that is, individualized education. Yes. Specifically, there are 4 aspects. The first aspect is, it can certainly be a help, not a burden, for our teachers' work. I imagine that in the future, maybe in our classrooms there will be dual teachers. And this dual teacher is a traditional teacher, and the other is an artificial intelligence teacher. Repetitive. Mechanological. There is a very clear content of this knowledge point, which can be solved by means of artificial intelligence education digitalization. And our teachers are mainly concerned in this class. The change of learning situation is based on the change of learning situation, and adopts different teaching strategies suitable for children to guide children to learn better. So in this case, it should be said that our traditional teachers and artificial intelligence teachers are at a stage where they pay equal attention, and there is no question of who will replace whom, both of which are very important. The first and second ones are from the student's point of view. Because traditionally, our learning resources are basically based on writing and book content. So in the case of artificial intelligence, it has a lot of means and ways of presentation. Including the way knowledge is extracted and used, there has also changed. So from a student's point of view, it is also necessary to improve digital literacy, or artificial intelligence literacy, and to transform the advantages of artificial intelligence into a huge change in educational resources. Lifelong development, and that's second. The third is that he may make a fundamental change in our educational evaluation. Educational evaluation is the hard bone in education reform. It's a big problem. The difficulty lies in the fact that it is difficult for us to rely on traditional means to systematically and delicately analyze the large amount of information we produce in the process of teaching and learning. Including its application and extraction, it faces many difficulties. Therefore, in the future, with the application of digital means of artificial intelligence education, we can make our evaluation more accurate. And it's more time-sensitive, and it can be achieved. Evaluation of the effectiveness of trace systematic common sense. Therefore, in this case, I think it can play a huge role in promoting the reform of educational evaluation, especially value-added evaluation, appreciative evaluation, and exploring the strengths of each child, which is the third. And the last one is his ability to educate us intellectually. The management of the school, including the management of the classes by our teachers, plays a huge auxiliary role. It can reduce our traditional roll call, and even in the process of class management of this student, sometimes it is difficult to take care of everyone's performance due to the limitation of the person's own attention time and energy. This artificial intelligence can play a big role. The role of reminder and early warning monitoring can make us pay attention to everyone's needs as much as possible. Make this management more refined and accurate, more scientific, and more suitable for everyone's needs to achieve personalized management. So I think we make good use of it on the basis of embracing, and it will definitely be promoted. The formation of large-scale teaching according to aptitude will inevitably help us to truly realize that everyone can shine through education in the process of building a strong country in education.